Hey Co-op community, my name is Jake Matthews and I'm the Internet Products and Services Specialist here at United. I, along with the rest of the Cooperative, am very excited to bring this much needed Internet service to our membership. I want to take some time to explain exactly what the steps look like from registration to being fully installed and active with our Internet service, explaining some of the devices that we install as well as some of the additional services we provide as well. There are two ways we will provide high-speed internet service to our members: fiber to the home and fixed wireless, the installation process for each being just a little bit different. To determine whether your service will be fixed wireless or fiber to the home, simply type your address into the search bar listed on our website at www.ucs.net/internet. Once you have input your address, follow the prompts and you can submit your registration for service. Once complete, your address will be added to our list for installation once the service becomes available. For fiber to the home, the outside installation will happen in two steps: the drop and the splice. A drop crew will install the fiber optic cable to the outside of your home, near your electric meter, usually following the same path as your electric service. A technician will follow the drop crew within a few days to install a network box on your home and splice the fiber, making it active. Once complete, a United representative will contact you to schedule your in-home installation. During the installation, our technician will walk the premise with you to determine the best path for cabling and device location. The service will enter your home and terminate into an optical network terminal, or ONT. This device is used to provision your internet speed. It gives us the ability to remotely assign your desired internet package, as well as disconnecting or reconnecting the service. From the ONT, Cat5e cable, or Ethernet, will run to the provided Wi-Fi enabled router. This will produce wireless internet in your home. The router includes 4 Ethernet ports if you should choose to hardwire any devices. A hardwired connection will always provide the highest quality internet experience. Our technician will then finalize your desired internet package as well as any additional products or services you desire. These may include Wi-Fi extenders, which do exactly as their name entails. They pick up your Wi-Fi signal and extend it further throughout the home. Next, we have our uninterruptible power service. The UPS device acts as a battery backup. If you were to lose power, the UPS will keep your internet active for 6 hours. We also offer symmetrical service. This will give you an upload speed that matches your download speed. Once all these steps are complete, your service will now be up and running. You can now experience all the possibilities that United's high-speed internet service can provide. If you should have any questions over the registration or installation process, please visit our website or contact your local United office.